Today we will learn about simple present tense. Simple present tense used for daily activities or facts. The formula is subject plus verb 1 plus object. For he, she, it, we add s or es. We can also use to be. Subject plus to be plus object. To be, am, is, and are. Now let's fill in the blanks together. I blank a student. I am a student. She blank very smart. She is very smart. They play football on Sunday. They play football on Sunday. We watch TV at night. My father goes to work at 7 a.m. Follow for simple English.